Hello students, welcome back. I am your English teacher and today we'll see English grammar. Students, our today's topic is kinds of noun. First, let us see what are nouns. The names given to persons, places, animals and things are called nouns. Okay students? The names of persons, places, animals and things are called nouns. Now, next we will see types of nouns. In this we will see proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Now, let me explain one by one. Common nouns. What are common nouns? Ordinary names of persons, places, animals and things are called common nouns. Students, ordinary means common. Meaning of ordinary and common is same. So, ordinary names of persons, places, animals and things are called common nouns. Let's first see example flower. If we are saying flower, it means we are taking all the flowers as a whole. We are talking about all the flowers, whatever flower we know, whether it is lily, rose, hibiscus, whatever it is, we are talking about all the flowers. Next is river. When we are saying river, it means we are talking about all the rivers in our country. Students, next is animals. Again, animals means we are talking about all the animals as a whole. We are not talking about any particular animal, whether it is camel or lion or tiger or dog. We are talking about all the animals as a whole. This is the meaning of common noun. Now see some more examples of common noun. First sentence is, the dog is barking at the old man. Students, in this, dog and man are common nouns because we are not taking the name of dog or we are not taking the name of any man. We are saying just dog and man. Next is, my uncle has a big house. In this also, we haven't used the name of uncle or we haven't used the name of house. So, this is common noun. Next types of noun is proper noun. The special name given to any person, place, animal or thing is a proper noun. Whatever name we give to person, place or animal, it is proper noun. And students, proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Okay? Whether it is your name, your parents' name, whatever pet you have, their name, it's all are called proper nouns. See for example, Rahul lives in New Delhi. In this, Rahul and New Delhi are special names and they begin with capital letter. In the same way, Tim has a Sony TV at home. In this also, Tim and Sony are proper names. And the last one is, Fluffy is the name of Rita's dog. In this, Fluffy and Rita are proper names, so they begin with capital letter. Students, next is collective noun. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals or things. Group of people, group of animal or group of things are collective nouns. Example, group of cows are called herd. When there are many cows, we call it herd of cows. When there are many birds together, we call it flock of birds. In the same way, when there are many flies together, we call it swarm of flies. Some more examples are school of fish, class of students, and bunch of keys. Now students, I have given you some homework also. You have to read all the kinds of noun I have taught you. And secondly, some homework I have given you to do in a copy. I have told you to make one copy now. I have told you to make one English copy, separate English copy. So in that copy only, you will do these exercises. First is paste 5 pictures of proper noun, common noun and collective noun. You have to paste 5 pictures of proper noun, 5 pictures of common noun and 5 pictures of collective noun. You have to paste pictures, don't draw it. And next one is circle the noun and say whether it is proper noun, common noun or collective noun. 5 sentences are given. You have to circle the noun in each sentence and say whether it is proper noun or common noun or collective noun. Okay. The first sentence is, we have no school on Sunday. In this, you have to circle noun, and wherever you circle, you have to tell it is proper noun, common noun or collective noun. Second is, Sonia loves to have a pizza. Third is, the teacher scolded Peter. Next is, English is my favorite subject. And the last is, we saw a flock of sheep grazing merrily. So students, circle the noun and tell what type of noun it is. I think you all can do. Okay? Thank you.